Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I'm going to attempt to save my Hoya Compacta Carnosa Variegata. So if you're interested in seeing on how I'm gonna do it, then keep on watching. Okay, so let me just show you the state of this plant. It's doing really bad. So again, this is my variegated Hindu rope, and some branches are doing good, some branches are not doing well at all. So the yellowing, I know, is definitely from like dehydration. So I just decided to use this Wish haul propagation set today, which is going to be perfect. And I had just like an extra shot glass lying around if I need, and I also just have some water, some room standing temperature water, so I don't shock these already shocked roots. So like I said, I'm going to try to root this plant, and I'm gonna also transfer, I might try to transfer it today in this video if I can. Just transfer these, maybe transfer this plant into another pot. So what I'm doing right now is just pouring some water into this. I got a pair of like sharp shears, and I'm just gonna like just first pick out the dead, like the ones that I know are not gonna like thrive or survive. And I'm just gonna cut my plant like just right here. So I'm gonna add a bit more water into this. Oops. And this time I'm just deciding to use a paper bag. I usually always use just a cardboard box, but that's gotten mushy over time, so I'm doing a paper bag instead of a plastic bag, just to be a bit more environmentally conscious. So I'm putting like leaf number 1 in. Okay, I think this one is a little big, so alright, I'm gonna take off this leaf. Sorry, buddy. I think it should fit better now in this. Yeah, so this is gonna go in this pot. I mean, not pot. Alright, next one. I don't even think this has any sort of life left in it, but we shall see. All of these are yellow, so these are all goners for sure. Just gonna stick this in here. Let's see if that does anything. This one next. I'm gonna chop the roots off. Goodbye, goodbye. My love has got to go. I'll leave you on the island and face the truth. And take off any of these yellowing leaves because they're not gonna survive, and you're just gonna stress your plant out more. So I should have done this such a long time ago. A friend of I call her a friend, Alex, she watches my videos. She recommended that I do this, so thank you, Alex, for recommending me to do this, and I hope I can add your social media here. Before I do, I'm gonna post her social media down below, but first I'm gonna get her permission. And she also makes, well, she's also a YouTuber, so you can check Alex out here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Alright, next plant. I think I'm gonna do this one next. I'm gonna leave this one a little long, so I'm gonna cut it like right here. See this one? And I'm gonna take these bottom leaves off, and this one's fine. So I'm gonna stick this inside of this pot. So you can see this here, not looking too good. I'm gonna leave this also attached to it, but I'm gonna just chop this off like so. I'm really not scared to propagate these at all. I just want this plant to survive. This one might be a complete goner, but let's see. What survives, survives. What doesn't, doesn't. That's just how I see it. See these stringy roots? These roots are no good. Yeah, these roots are goners. So I'll stick the goner section. Yeah. This plant has one viable, literally one more viable leaf on it. I might cut this one a little bit higher up. This doesn't even look good at all. This is so sad, guys. This cost me $85. I'm just gonna say for this plant alone, $85, $70 to purchase, and $10 for shipping. So these don't look too bad. I'm just gonna transfer these into a smaller pot. So I'm gonna come right back and transplant these. These are looking good, and I'm like just happy that at least I have these three that are looking good. These over here that I put in the water, I'm hoping that they can root soon, and this baby here I'm going to put in a smaller pot, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I have this 4-inch pot, and I also have this mesh situation. You use it for construction, like to adhere for plaster and whatnot, so I'm just gonna use that as a mesh for just like some soil. It's thin, it's not too like thin, but it's thick enough. So I'm happy that the soil is dry, so I can just honestly just pick these up like boom. And I'm gonna use the same soil too, because this soil is fine. When your cat scratches for you to let her in, you let her in. So I got the first one potted in. Lola, say hi to the peoples. Oh, there she is. Lola. Just let her walk all over my video, because that's what she does. Ever since she walked into my life, that's what she does. Just steals the scene. I'm sorry, guys. If you want a more serious video, there are many other people's channels that you can definitely go be bored watching. But here we have Lola the tortoise shell. Alright, let me take some soil out. I don't want to like mess with the roots too much, so. Maybe letting her in might not have been. Oh, now she wants to drink the water. The life of having a cat. If you have cats, please. You know my pain. You know this pain of nothing is for you, sweetheart. So check yourself before you get checked. Let's snip here because this is looking a little scruggled. I'll also just tuck this as far into here as I can. Ma'am, I can't give you affection right now. I'm recording a video. Guys, I'm sorry. This is why I don't record videos on the floor also. But sometimes we don't have not the time or the space to do a little setup. It's so sad I lost even more of this plant, but I don't know who cursed some evilness onto me, but I curse you back. Ha. I hope it works that way. Then I have to sacrifice that juicy leaf because this plant is still alive, to be honest with you. So just gonna leave that like that, or maybe I can stick this in the middle here. Alright. And for this baby, I'm gonna just top water it a little. Actually a lot. I just want to, because this is a well draining soil too. I'm not worried too much about it holding in moisture. And I'm putting water on the plant itself too because I got some soil on it, so just gonna. Any fallout that's on here gets tossed environmentally friendly. And easy cleanup. Alright. Room temperature water. Perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of me trying to rescue my sad, pathetic Hoya Compacta Carnosa Variegatas that I purchased for a great price of $80, but now it's a big regret. I was able to hopefully rescue these and keep these alive because these are looking pretty healthy, while these are struggling with a SK, the struggle, and these little roots, I don't know what they're trying to do, but hopefully they can do something. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it if you also liked it, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here, and let me know if you have any more advice on what I can do to help save the remainder of this plant, because this is one of my dream wish list plants and I got it, and I've just had bad luck with getting these variegated Hoya Compacta Carnosas. So yeah guys, thank you again for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.